Oh, wait, hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna hit it with an axe.
Well, why are you hitting it with the axe?
Because it's a piece of junk. Just like a Ford, it's falling apart.
Yeah, of course, but no, give me the axe. What do you think you were doing anyways?
Well, I was gonna put the axe through it because it's a piece of junk, and I really want to destroy it.
I mean, you made one pretty bad mistake though.
What?
You gave me the axe.
You hit it so hard it's smoking.
Hear the storyteller's sigh underneath the tree-covered sky. This truck was used a lot. The Fantastic Ford, the truck time forgot.
All right, ready? Shh, the inside voice. Lydia. I know. Ah. Watch this. Right here. Right here. Drop it. Oh. Whew. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to We Can Fix It, to where if we work together, we can fix just about anything. And this is going to border on the lines of just about. You see, I'm broke and I'm cheap. So this gas tank probably costs around $200 to $300. Just buy the tank. I am going to attempt to clean all this up and weld all these holes up. Pretty much for temporary use. I need to get it running and driving, and I can't get it running and driving without a gas tank. So we need a gas tank. And I have all the equipment to fix it, so yeah, we're gonna fix a gas tank. As you see, I've already started grinding on a few things, and it's actually pretty solid. Otherwise, it's just a couple of spots where it's ate through. That's got a little weak. But really, these are the biggest area, well, biggest issues. I'm gonna cut that down, cut this down, and make sure nothing's under them, and then go on from there. So yeah, it's yeah. So this is gonna be a bit hard, a bit harder than I thought. That's how you learn your lesson. Hadn't learned mine yet. Gonna keep going. It will work. It's sealed. It's just, I'm telling you, it blew out all the way up to this corner, and there was only 2 holes here. So that right there might blow out to right about here. And I'm on the lowest possible setting that I can be on, and it's still blowing it out. So we're going to continue. It's not fixable. And I really wanted to fix it. It is like Swiss cheese, except made of aluminum tape. So, what'll be a few days for me should be only a few seconds for you. Okay, we're back. Don't you start. Hush. You are not going to believe this. I actually found this on Facebook Marketplace literally the next day after I ended the first portion of the video. Right here, I'm just talking about painting it and getting it to look nice. But literally, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. I could not believe it, and it was like a 5-minute drive away. So that was actually fairly convenient, and I didn't have to buy a brand new one because this one cost like 25 bucks. Let's see what this looks like, if it's decent at all. And I doubt it is. And I can actually, if this tears, I can replace it in the truck. So this is our biggest goal, is just get it out. And it is missing the piece, and it is rotted. And will it move? We got it to move. Do I trust it? Heck no.
Well, everything's in.
Everything is in. All that's tight. We gotta put that hose on. It goes from there to here. That it's got to go all the way across, which this is ripped right there. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to buy another one. But we'll set that right here for right now. Buying a new one of them. Okay, we're going to change it out while we're here. John's going to grab me the flathead screwdriver one last time. We're going to change that out, and we're done for today. And tomorrow I'm going to come up here with a little bit of go-go juice and see if we can crank it. If it'll pull gas at least. Okay. First thing is we'll take this one loose. Well, there we go. All right. Which I can blow into it. See if it pushes air. It's working. So that's good. Show the people what this looks like. Look at the difference in that. And that day and night. Alright. Which way the fuel go, John? To hog. So it goes to the hogs. Yes, that way. Right. Okay. Making sure, you know, I want you to think I put this thing on wrong, you know. Because then I might get caught. I might get in trouble by jumping away.
You get in trouble by me. Pretty sure you can flip this engine upside down and I say, huh? Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, but once you find out something's wrong with it, Dad, you know you weren't supposed to do that, right? Alright, so that was broke. That's a baffle for the heater box right here. And it's seized up and broke. So I had to take that off and then reroute it directly back into the water pump. So that's done. New carb, new air cleaner, new fuel pump, new fuel line, new fuel filter, all the way back to the used fuel tank. That's technically new to this project. So the last thing we're going to have to do is what? Put gas in it and put a well, I can't think of what the name of it is. The tank gauge. The thing I took out of the top of the tank. We gotta put that on there. And she'll be right. She'll be ready to run again. And then we can ride it around a little bit. Wear the brakes down a little bit. Well, enough to where we can take the brakes off. So, we are pretty much done right now. We are done for right now, John. Done for right now. Aren't you happy?
Yeah.